Hello, little learners. Welcome to Arsal Academy, where learning is fun and easy. Today, we'll explore sound words and use them in simple sentences. Let's read, learn, and enjoy together. See. I can see the stars. B. A bee is buzzing near the flower. Tree. The bird sat in the tree. Free. The zoo visit is free today. Green. She wore a green dress. Teeth. Brush your teeth every day. Street. We live on the same street. Sweet. This candy is very sweet. Need. I need some water. Week. We go to school 5 days a week. Peek. Don't peek at your gift. Feet. Wash your feet before bed. Sheep. The sheep are eating grass. Deep. The lake is very deep. Sleep. I want to sleep early tonight. Keep. Keep your room clean. Jeep. The Jeep is driving on the road. Meet. I will meet my friend at the park. Queen. The queen wore a crown. Thanks for watching. Great job, friends! You learned 20 fun sound words and how to use them in sentences. Keep practicing every day and don't forget to smile while you learn. Like, share and subscribe to Arsal Academy for more fun English videos for our learners. See you next time. Bye-bye.